In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use colorful themes in Slack. If you want to make Slack feel a little more personal, colorful themes are a quick and easy way to refresh the look of your workspace. Whether you prefer something bright and energetic or more subtle and polished, Slack gives you a few simple options to change the appearance to match your style. To get started, open Slack and look to the bottom left corner of the app. There, click your profile picture. This opens a menu with several account and app settings. From that menu, click Preferences. This is where Slack keeps most of the customization options, so if you ever want to adjust the way Slack looks or behaves, this is a useful area to remember. Once the Preferences window opens, click Appearance. In this section, you'll find the visual settings for Slack, including themes and color choices. This is where you can quickly change the overall feel of the interface without affecting your messages or workspace content. Under Slack Themes, click the theme color you want. As you select a theme, Slack will update the interface so you can immediately preview how it looks. This makes it easy to try a few options before settling on the one you like best. If the preset themes don't quite match what you have in mind, you can also customize your own theme by clicking Custom Theme. This gives you more control over the exact colors used in different parts of the Slack window. After opening the custom theme options, click the pencil drop-down menu to choose your preferred colors. This lets you edit specific parts of the theme so you can fine-tune the look instead of relying only on the default presets. It's a nice option if you want something more unique or better suited to your visual preferences. Next, drag the selector in the color box to choose a color. As you move the selector, you'll be able to see the shade change in real time. Take your time here, especially if you're trying to create a theme that's both attractive and easy to read. Choosing colors with good contrast can help make the interface more comfortable to use throughout the day. You can also click Window Gradient to blend the window background with selected item colors. This adds a more polished, layered effect to the design and can make your theme feel a bit more dynamic. Once you're happy with your selection, you can simply leave the settings as they are, and Slack will keep your updated theme automatically. And that's how to use colorful themes in Slack.